Oh, sporing. You're a wise old fella, aren't you, Sue? He sits there, she does all the jumping around. And when she's tired out, that's when you jump her, Sue.
Oi.
She'll get up and headbutt him. He's smiling.
I like your eyelids. Your white eyelids.
White eyelashes. Oh.
Talk to me.
Give us something, Zoo. Come on.
I don't talk, Bulldog.
You can play with my toy. You play with my toy? It's a fun toy. Yeah, it's for you. It's a gift. So he's going, it's got another minute.
You're a good boy, Sue.
That's so cute.
Oh, it's my bottle now.
Yeah. You just leave it alone.